Hey, this is Hans. It's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail to me, and the first time I open it is with you. Today I've got a package from Malaysia. These noodles are from Red Chef. They were on the Ramen Raider's Top 10 Instant Noodles of All Time 2018 edition. Yeah, super good stuff. And I asked if I could have some samples so I could do them up on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. So here they are. Thank you very much. Let's crack into them. And here we are. Looks like they added a couple things in. Let's see what we got. So this is their pamphlet, all about their product. Ah, look at that. Top 10 instant noodles by the Ramen Raider. Super cool. Oh wow, a shelf talker. Cool. So if you go to a grocery store and you walk up to the noodle aisle and then there's like all the shelves, right? Well, you can place this over the lip of the shelf and it's called a shelf talker. I learned that from my wife because she used to work in retail. Thank you, Kit, and thank you, Red Chef, for sending this along. I love stuff like this. And what do we got here? Pandan white curry noodle. So pandan is a leaf and it has kind of like a nutty taste to it. I've seen pandan used here in the States. You can go to bubble tea shops and they'll have waffles infused with pandan flavor. Ultra good, and I highly recommend them, and they're green. Definitely going to be giving these another go. Thank you very much. Next, we've got their sesame clear soup noodles. I had these ones before and I was a little confused by them, to be honest. So I'm really looking forward to give these another go. Finally, we have, oh cool, look at that. It's got the sticker. This is their Sakura prawn, and this is top-notch stuff. It's about the prawniest thing I've ever had, and it also comes with these fried onions. Oh man, it's where it's at, folks. This is the route you want to go. Yeah, I'll be doing these on Instant Noodle Recipe Time very soon. There's a couple supplies I gotta get, but I'd be doing it today if I had those. I was about to set it all up and put everything together and say later, but they also sent the tom yum, the green tom yum, and look, it's got the Top 10 logo on it. So that's sweet. Cool, thanks. Well, thank you very much to Annie and everybody over at Red Chef. I super appreciate this. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.